Adding sound and video files on loop. We can add sound and video files on loop by first going to Change Our Settings. We need to turn our editing on. Once we've done this, to add a sound file, we add an activity or resource. Then we scroll down to where it says Label. If we click once, we see a description on it, and click twice allows us to add the file. We can enter the text in the text box. And then click on the video icon. Then we click the Audio tab, and we can click on Browse Repositories. Once we've found the file, we click on it, and then click again, and select this file. Then we click on Insert Media. And finally, save and return to course. We then see our new media file has been attached. To add a video file, again we click on Add an Activity or Resource. And again we go down and click on Label. We double click on Label. And again we can add text. And we click on the Video tab. This time we click on the Video tab. And we enter the URL in the box provided. Then we click Insert Media. And we won't see the file in the box until we click Save and Return to Course. And we can see that our video file has been attached.